In today's class, we will be learning the topic, Mission to the Gentiles. Saul, Paul, got letters from high priests to the synagogue at Damascus to bring bound to Jerusalem those who professed the name of Christ. As Saul neared Damascus, a brilliant light engulfed him, causing him to fall and hear a voice questioning, "Saul, why do you persecute me?" Astonished, he inquired, "Who are you, Lord?" The voice responded, "I am Jesus, whom you are persecuting." He rose up blind, was led to Damascus, no sight for 3 days, neither ate nor drank. Ananias, a disciple of Jesus, saw a vision, was told to go to a street called Straight, ask for the house of Judas for Saul of Tarsus, lay hands on him to regain his sight. Ananias complained of Saul's murderous intent towards the followers of Christ. But Christ assured him that he is a chosen instrument of mine. Ananias laid hands on Saul, who regained his sight, was filled with the Holy Spirit and baptized. For several days, Saul was with the disciples at Damascus, proclaimed boldly in the synagogue that Jesus is the Son of God. He met with opposition because the Jews that were opposed to the gospel took counsel to kill him. They watched day and night to kill him. But the disciples were aware of it and let him down by the wall through a basket. At Jerusalem, he attempted to join the disciples. Again, they were afraid of him until Barnabas vouched for his sincerity. There was another plot to kill him in Jerusalem. So he was escorted to the coast and shipped off to Tarsus. This was how the Jews reacted to Saul's, Paul, conversion from Judaism to Christianity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.